Tensions continue to rise at Nehu as students have launched an indefinite hunger strike outside the Vice-Chancellor's office, demanding the removal of Vice-Chancellor Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla. The students had stated that their hunger strike will persist until the Vice-Chancellor, Registrar and Deputy Registrar step down. This latest student-led protest follows an indefinite strike by the Nehu Non-Teaching Staff Association, which cited delays in recruitment for advertised positions as the reason for their agitation. The Nehu Teachers Association, Nehuta, has expressed solidarity with the students' demands.
We have discussed yesterday with the Vice Chancellor, and we have, prior to our discussion yesterday, we have put forward multiple memorandums actually, and we have put a deadline on Monday, the 4th of November. But on meeting him yesterday, he was not willing to fulfill our demands as per the memorandum, and one of the demands in that memorandum is the removal or the termination of the registrar and the deputy registrar. And since he was not capable of agreeing to our demands, then we have decided that we will make another demand that the Vice Chancellor has to step down, because he is not willing to agree to what we are or even listen to what we are demanding.